Number System Lesson 14. Factor Theory. Suppose a number n can be written as a raised to the power p into b raised to the power q into c raised to the power n. Then its number of factors will be what? P plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. This is the total number of factors of number n. For example, let's take 56. Okay, so 56 can be written as 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. It means 2 raised to the power 3 into 7 raised to the power 1. So 56 has total number of factors as 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 4 into 2, that is 4 into 2 is 8. Total number of factors is 8. Let's check for 56. 56 can be written as 1 into 56, 2 into 28, 4 into 14, 7 into 8. And we have calculated its number of factors are 8. So here we have 8 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now the point to remember is if phi n, the number of factor, is odd, then n number is the perfect square. This is very important thing to remember. Now the question comes in the exam is express n as the product of two factors. Okay, then in how many ways it can be expressed as number of two factors, that is in how many ways 56 can be represented as a product of two factors like this. So answer for 56 is 4, because in 4 ways this can be expressed. 56 can be expressed as a product of two factors in 4 ways. And how this has come? With the formula phi n by 2 if phi n is even. And even is when n is not a perfect square. Okay, but if phi n is odd, that is if it is a perfect square, then the product of two factors in how many ways it will express? Phi n plus minus 1. You can take minus or you can take plus. Let's check for 56. Phi n was 8. So it can be expressed product of two factors in n is what? Even. So product of two factors will be 4, which is actually 4. 1 into 56, 2 into 28, 4 into 14 and 7 into 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is correct. Next, let's check for this also. If phi n is odd, then n is perfect square. It means if phi n is even, then n is not perfect square. Phi n is here even. So 56 is a perfect square or not? 56 obviously is not a perfect square. For more video lectures, subscribe us on YouTube and Facebook. For more study material, visit us allforlearners tutorials @blogspot.in. Don't forget to like and comment on our videos.